State of Global Air Report 2020. Recently, a global study, State of Global Air 2020 (SOGA 2020), has been released by the Health Effects Institute (HEI). Key highlights of the report. It highlights that air pollution is the largest risk factor for death among all health risks, and it is the first ever comprehensive analysis of air pollution's global impact on newborns. The highest annual average exposures were seen in Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Air pollution now biggest health risk in India, says the State of Global Air 2020 report. India, Bangladesh, Pakistan and Nepal are among the top 10 countries with the highest PM2.5 particulate matter exposures in 2019, and all of these countries experienced increases in outdoor PM2.5 levels between 2010 and 2019. India is also among the top 10 countries with highest ozone O3 exposure in 2019. Also, among the 20 most populous countries, India recorded the highest increase, 17%, in O3 concentrations in the past 10 years. Long-term exposure to outdoor and household indoor air pollution contributed to over 1.67 million annual deaths from stroke, heart attack, diabetes, lung cancer, chronic lung diseases, and neonatal diseases in India in 2019. Infant-related data. Globally, 476,000 infants died in their first month of life in 2019 from health effects associated with air pollution exposure. More than 116,000 infants in India died within a month of birth in 2019 due to air pollution. More than half of these deaths were associated with outdoor PM2.5, and others were linked to the use of solid fuels such as charcoal, wood, and animal dung for cooking. Current pollution status in India. Average pollution levels in India are declining over the past 3 years, but these have been marginal, particularly in the Indo-Gangetic plains, which see extremely high PM pollution especially during winter. After a decline in pollution due to the nationwide lockdowns after March, pollution levels are again rising and air quality is dipping to the very poor category in several cities. About State of Global Air Report. The State of Global Air Report brings into one place the latest information on air quality and health for countries around the globe. It is produced annually by the Health Effects Institute and the Institute for Health Metrics and Evaluation's Global Burden of Disease Project. HEI is an independent non-profit research institute funded jointly by the USA's Environmental Protection Agency and others. Thank you. For more videos, subscribe to BN by IAS and press the bell icon to never miss an update.